In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and animate a bulleted list in Google Slides, all within a quick 5 minutes. Let's start by getting into Google Slides. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Slides website, open up your preferred web browser and type in the Google Slides URL, or simply search for it. Once you're on the website, the next step is to sign into your Google account if you haven't done so already. This is crucial because it's your ticket to creating and saving presentations. Now, once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. From here, you need to decide whether you'd like to start fresh with a blank presentation or choose from one of the many available templates. It's entirely up to your preference depending on the style you're aiming for. For this demonstration, let's go with a blank presentation. Clicking on the blank presentation option will open up a new slide that you can edit. With your slide ready to go, it's time to start working with the text. Click on the text box on the slide where you plan to add your content. If your slide lacks a text box, simply head to the Insert menu at the top of your screen, select Text Box and draw one onto your slide. Once you've clicked or created your text box, you can proceed to type or paste in the content you want to display. The next step is to apply a bullet list to your selected text. To do this, highlight the text you just entered. With the text highlighted, look for the bullet list icon in the toolbar, which typically looks like a series of dots or dashes. Click on this icon to transform your text into a bulleted list. This instantly makes your information more organized and visually appealing. Now, let's customize the bullets to better fit your presentation style. You have the option to stick with the default bullet points or experiment with a variety of other bullet designs. To customize your bullets, keep the text selected and look for the formatting options. Depending on your desired appearance, you can choose different shapes, sizes, or even color your bullets to make them pop and complement your slide's theme. Congratulations, you've successfully created a bulleted list. Remember, you can always adjust and animate these elements to ensure your presentation not only informs but also captivates your audience. Animations can be added to each bullet item to make them appear one by one during your presentation. This can be accomplished by selecting the text box and navigating to the Insert menu, where you'll find the Animation option. Here you can choose how you would like each bullet to appear, and there you have it. Adding and animating a bulleted list in Google Slides couldn't be easier. This skill is a fantastic way to maintain audience engagement and ensure your presentation is both informative and visually attractive. Thanks for following along, and happy presenting.